Good news guys, Webull Singapore is now finally allowing you to transfer shares in from another broker. So in this video, I will share a few reasons as to why Webull may be a good broker for you, what are the promotions that you can enjoy, and finally, a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your stocks into Webull. First up, why Webull may be a good broker for you. 1. Webull is easily one of the cheapest brokers that we have in Singapore right now. If you check my broker comparison table, which by the way is totally free to download, for the US market, Webull charges a 0.025% fee with a minimum of 50 cents, which easily beats almost every other broker on this list. Same for the Hong Kong market and the China market, where Webull is the cheapest with its lowest commissions. And if you like trading options, Webull only charges 55 cents per contract with no minimum, which again is one of the cheapest brokers on this list. Second, with Webull's Money Book, you get to earn a return on your idle cash. As of making this video, it is giving a 5.4% 7-day yield for USD and a 3.87% 7-day yield for SGD. The funds that you'll be investing in are low-risk funds. Webull doesn't charge you any fees for using this, and best of all, if you ever need to trade stocks, Webull will just auto-redeem the money from the funds to settle your trades. Third, Webull caters to both beginners and experts. On one hand, the app is very beginner-friendly and easy to use. You can find whatever you need intuitively without much digging around. For example, you can easily add stocks to your watch list, check out stock charts, and buy your stocks. On the other hand, Webull offers useful tools for investors who are looking for more. For example, there's a stock screener tool which lets you easily look for stocks that fit your investing criteria, such as filtering high-growth stocks that have a high return on equity. Then there's the alert tool which lets you stay informed about price fluctuations in real time. And if you want to do stock research, Webull also lets you check out companies' latest earnings reports, past earnings. There's even a peer comparison tool to tell you how the company is performing as compared to its peers. Last but not least, if you ever need help, Webull also provides good customer support. You can contact them via the general hotline, which is available from Monday all the way to Saturday, except for US public holidays. Or if you are shy and don't want to talk, you can contact them via the in-app help center. Otherwise, you can choose to email them too. Besides the customer support, another one of Webull's awesome features is their global community. With more than 40 million downloads, you will find a whole bunch of discussion going on where you can ask questions and learn from one another. So those were some of the things that Webull has to offer. Now let's talk about the two promotions that you will get to enjoy. First, you can use my referral link to sign up for a new account to get an exclusive welcome promo. This promo is pretty simple. After signing up, all you need to do is fund any amount, 1 SGD also can, and you will get 5 free shares. Then keep the funds in there for 30 days and you will earn another 5 free shares. Each share is worth anywhere from 10 USD all the way up to 500 USD, which means at the minimum, you will earn 100 USD all the way to $5,000 worth of shares just by funding and maintaining 1 SGD for 30 days. Besides that, Webull has also extended their Money Book deal where you can get cash rewards worth up to $2,000 when you activate Money Book, meet the funding requirements by 30th November 2023, and maintain your deposits until 29 February 2024. Terms and conditions apply, of course. The second promo is the Transfer In promo, where if you transfer in at least $25,000 worth of assets, keep the assets in there for 90 days, you will get $750 worth of Tesla shares. Plus, as a bonus, Webull will also help to subsidize any transfer fee for up to $150. Okay, before I show you how to do the transfer, there are a few things to take note of. 1. Webull only supports the transfer in of US stocks and ETFs. So stuff like cash, OTC symbols, options, non-US stocks and ETFs, and fractional shares are not supported. 2. Both the Webull account and the other broker's account must be under the same name for the transfer to work. 3. Webull only accepts a transfer-in request of at least $25,000 worth of assets. Otherwise, the transfer will fail. And 4. Webull doesn't charge any fees for incoming transfers. They will waive the transfer fees up to $150 till 30th November 2023. Now, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to transfer your assets into Webull. To start, open up the Webull app, go to Menu, under Promotion Center, you will see the Transfer In Rewards banner. Tap on it, then tap Participate Now. Next, tap on Transfer Now, and you'll be redirected to the Help Center. Search for Transfer In and look for how to initiate a Stress Transfer In request. You will need to download the Stress Transfer In form, open up the form, and just fill in the details. For Webull account number and account type, you can open up the Webull app, tap on the Webull button at the bottom middle, then under Assets, tap on Detail, and you will see your account number and account type at the top left. As for the counterparty's details, just fill in the info of the broker that you are transferring from. Then fill in all the info of the stocks that you want to transfer over. Once you have filled in everything, email the form to clientservices@webull-sg.com. You will also need to email the other broker and pass them this info to initiate a transfer out request. The process will take up to 21 business days to complete, during which please avoid buying or selling any stocks at the other broker to avoid any issues. Once the transfer is completed, Webull will let you know. So that was a super quick video on how to transfer your assets into Webull. Hopefully you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.